start of Conclave 2019 underway in Imphal. Farmers take out rally to Delhi with 16 demands. And ex-servicemen rally was held at Kumalampa. Hello and a very warm welcome. You are watching the news today at 1 p.m. This is Maria. Now let's have the news in details. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren today attended Manipur's start of Conclave 2019 held at City Convention Center in Imphal. The conclave focused on making Manipur the topmost startup destination in the entire Northeast region by providing support to nurture startups in the state. The conclave also aims at strengthening the startup culture in the state by fostering greater social acceptance and recognition of promising startups through strategic investment, policy intervention, and such other programs. The conclave is held to support and strengthen existing business incubators, accelerators in the state too.
Magi one day khak birthday pangthok gi mahutta akoi enjoy to gi mahutta dance to gi mahutta man hapta ama matam lor kanda seva to ba leitalairaga blood pidana awana singi orphan singda karida yen thokdana anabagi layeng batam tawrise sense makak human touch human service is more important masidai the place system is koi chalor kanda leiriba agriculture land je kalhodra diba ekoi pharak tani Lamju loina labuk mayam se loina increase or labuk mayam se labuk le shalatre phaugi production se koi sahi kudingi handara ineba phau sendo later di masana tangak puta bani aduna aikoi agricultural land kan badakar le thabak phangdabagi awaba le ribasing entrepreneurship amamna mi tara thabak pirambado mini phu ai hang prangamba mini phu pirambado sa amade hang prangamba adumai torokanda Manipur se afaba khunai ma wehennaba
Hundreds of farmers hit the road in Ghaziabad and Noida against the anti-farmer policies of the BJP government. The Rashtriya Kisan Yatra under the banner of Rashtriya Kisan Sangathan (RKS) started from Saharanpur on September 17 with 16 demands, which include increasing the minimum support prices of crops, reduction in diesel and electricity charges, and pending sugarcane dues of the farmers. The RKS is a non-political organization that works for the upliftment of the farmer and farm labor. The farmers, with their tractors and trolleys, marched toward Noida's Transport Nagar, leading to traffic snarls in Ghaziabad and Noida. After camping in Transport Nagar overnight, they entered Delhi this afternoon. Assam Rifles IGAR South organized ex-servicemen rally today at the indoor hall of Bal Bhavan located in Kumalampak Sports Complex in Imphal. The event was held with an objective to provide aid to the World War II veterans, ex-servicemen, widows, and their dependents. In this regard, 3 World War II veterans and second veterans and another 10 veterinaries were fitted. Alongside, pension payment order PPO were issued to 8 of the ex-servicemen and widows and another 8 students today. Addressing the event as chief guest, Director General of Assam Rifles, Lieutenant General Sukhdip Sangwan, said that Assam Rifles, being the oldest para force in the nation, has been contributing for the welfare of the people. He added, apart from defending the country, AR also involved in developmental works of the society.
अप्रैल को पिछले साल जो रैली हुई थी उसमें आपके 207 ग्रीवेंसेस आपने इन्वाइट है और मुझे खुशी है ये बताते हुए कि IGR साउथ में वो पूरे 207 ग्रीवेंसेस एड्रेस किए, आपकी सारी प्रॉब्लम दूर किया है। और जो जेसीओ यहाँ पे आए हैं उनसे आप डिटेल ले सकते हैं। अगर किसी को अभी भी कोई अपना डिवाइस पूरा नहीं हुआ है उसको चेक कर सकते हैं। 9 फैमिली पेंशन केसेस हमने रिवाइव किए।
Today's function was also attended by Deputy Inspector General of Assam Rifles Brigadier D.S. Sisodia, DIG, and 9th Sector Brigadier Amit Kartial, along with other high-ranking officials of AR and ex-servicemen from across the state. United NGOs Mission UNM Manipur and People's Resource Development Association PRDA have jointly organized a one-day workshop for community leaders at the conference hall of PRDA Visnupur on the theme of dealing with the past, way forward for peace building, reconciliation process. Secretary of PRDA L. Suranjoy said that people as a whole are bearing the consequences of the conflicts between communities. He added that the workshop hopes to bring solution by working together between the community leaders. Co-coordinator of One Stop Center Wangkai, Imphal East, Latarani Takhelambam, along with state coordinator of UNM Manipur, Boypu Koireng, presided the program as resource persons and talk about peace, communal harmony and balance against women, etc. Besides, L. Suranjoy, President of PRDA, H. Shanti, Assistant Secretary of PRDA, Dr. H. Roman and Treasurer Ormila Begum were main attendees. Community leaders of different communities of Manipur took part in the workshop. According to the reliable source, an unknown woman was brought at Reims casualty where she was declared brought dead at 6 this morning. The cause of the death is suspected to be hanging. The deceased has been identified as Hekruzam Ongbi Sanatombi Devi, 45 years old, wife of Samananda Singh of Langthawal Kunjamayai Lekai. The family members of the deceased stated that she was a psychiatric patient of Dr. R.K. Lenin of Reims. Reportedly, it is also learned that she had tried to commit suicide earlier. Now, let's take a short break, but coming up, climate change rally held. More updates after the break. Stay tuned.
Canback Industries की थामाबंदियन कॉलेज वेस्टर्न गेट की मायूक नबद लेबा कैन एंटरप्राइजेस शोरूम की ओपनिंग सेरेमनी लाक्लिबा सेप्टेम्बर 19 लिसिंग अनि तराग मापनदा पांगथोक जरगनी ओपनिंग सेरेमनी असि का मरी लेनना कैनबैक फोटो कॉन्टेस्ट अमसु थमजरी कॉन्टेस्ट असि अहान मना रुपा लिसिंग तरा अनि सुमना रुपा लिसिंग मंगा अदुगा अहुम सुमना ना रुपा लिसिंग अहुम थमजरी सरुग याबनिंग सिंगना हाइरबन मिनिसि की पुंग मापन फावदा लेथोक बिरगलगा कैनबैक इंडस्ट्रीज की कैनबैक अममम पायरगा फोटो सेक्शन अमा पांगथोक जगनी हाइरिबा फोटो सी कैनबैक इंडस्ट्रीज की फेसबुक पेज ता अपलोड तौरगा लाइक मसिंग ख्वाइदगी याम्बा कंटेस्टेंट दा मनासी पिजगनी
Welcome back. Youth Forum for Protection of Women's Rights, along with Social Youth Progressive Organization, in collaboration with Youth Action Committee for Protection of Indigenous People, Young People for Social Reform and Kangabok Development and Students Union observed the Global Week for Future 2019, starting from today. Secretary General of Northeast Students Organization, Sinam Prakash, flagged off the mass rally this morning at Tau Ground, Imphal. Later, a public meeting will also take place at the lamjingbatomtv in Palace Compound. Temporary Mao Market State has opened at Malom Bazaar today. Several residents in the area came out and purchased their favorite fresh and organic vegetables brought from Mao Market. Mao Market has been opened in various locations of Imphal West and Imphal East from time to time.
since I when a column, I go to Centra, Zagi, when Mohila, when a Putin Maka, breakfast, is that right? Go Matunda, when a Putra, when lunch break, see a vehicle on the feeder, when it snows in June Shinaba, when you look Shinabi Marie, when you could not throw it, you could not throw it, after you change the when I had a snows in June Shinana, Symptom, which she can be married to Purana Vizamaka, when white physical and Susan.
In connection to Makhan arson attack that took place on the wee hours of 17 September, the state government assured the locals in naming the culprits within 72 hours. As per reports, a public meeting attended by MLA Kaishi was held at Makhan village. It is learned that the residents are all set to start a series of agitation if there is no positive outcome within 12 a.m. today. A team of Manipur police posted at Tenta arrested one individual along with 22 liters of local DIC liquor while conducting anti-liquor drive at Tenta, Kunjao yesterday. As per reports, the arrested person has been identified as Moirang Them Soba Chandra, age 53 years of Tenta, Kunao, Makalekai. In another incident, a team of Taubal police apprehended a woman along with 10 liters of DIC liquor last evening. The woman has been identified as 43 years old Sorokaibam Sundari Devi of Charangpat, Maninglekai. Reportedly, she was handed over to Excise Taubal for further legal action. A combined team of Taubal District Police and commandos including women police personnel led by Deputy Superintendent of Police Commando, Taubal District, Sonja Kubhaukip, during a major anti-liquor drive raided several illegal liquor manufacturing areas of Chajingkham Kabui village under the jurisdiction of Lilong Police Station yesterday. According to police, during this raid, the police team seized around 1,200 liters of DIC liquor and other related items. The seized items were later handed over to Lilong Police Station for further legal course of action. India reiterated that there is no scope for third-party intervention in the Kashmir issue, announcing the details of Narendra Modi's September 21 to 27 visit to the U.S. Foreign Secretary Vijay Gokhale said the Prime Minister will meet U.S. President Donald Trump in New York and Houston and pitch for a greater role for India at the international level during his multilateral meetings. Another short break, but coming up, world's largest outdoor music festival, Zero Music Festival, all set for 8th edition in Arunachal Pradesh. Stay tuned.
Mega Monsoon Offer. Be a lifetime subscriber of lamjingbatomtv daily newspaper at Rs 10,000 only. For more details, please come and visit our lamjingbatomtv office at Uripok Laikurembi Laikai, Imphal West, or contact us at 8837353352 or 9402991938. Maitei Singi Puwari ga sagon aduna laklaba mafam ama oiriba Sagolban Thangapat leiriba the Thangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store ngaihak awaba pothafam ama oibata natana restaurant manungda yaujariba inbuilt departmental store da adomgi household items sing su phangbiragani. Veg amadi non-veg ki menu items sing na adomgi taste bud to satisfy oihaliba menu items sing enjoy tobiyo. Amadi Thangapat ki view enjoy tobiyo. Langston Biraksi, the Thangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store.
Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Haripriya Chongram giving you news in
Hanana fanglamba kangla food ki product singi mathakta anuba product sing haibadi Milky Balls asomya mixture amadi alu bhujia na chingba sing asi hauzik iramdam gi kaithel da fangle Kangla gi anawa product sing asi mayam su amungtang mahau yingbi
Kangla
Welcome back. A coordination meeting for a peaceful conduct of the 8th edition of Jero Music Festival, JMF, was held under the chairmanship of Deputy Commissioner Shukhu Takar at Jero in Arunachal Pradesh yesterday. Issues pertaining to security, law and order, traffic management, curbing drug management, fire services and regulations of the campsites, food safety registration, etc. were discussed in the detail. The festival committee will arrange sufficient volunteers for security and traffic management to add to the arrangement of the district administration. With more than 25 campsites being set around to accommodate tourists, it is necessary to regulate and monitor these sites. One of the world's largest outdoor music festival, JMF records more than 10,000 footballs every year. This year's edition starts September 26. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina said the Rohingya refugees have emerged as a big burden for the country. She also asked Myanmar to take back the Rohingyas, which are the citizens of that country. Sheikh Hasina further said Bangladesh provided shelter to the Rohingyas on humanitarian ground. She has extended her sincere thanks to the local people of Cox's Bazar for enduring sufferings caused by the Rohingyas. The visiting team appreciated Bangladesh for showing the humanitarian gesture by giving shelter to the displaced people. The UK delegation visited the Rohingya camps in Cox's Bazar and handed over a written report to the Prime Minister. On the other hand, Myanmar State Councillor Aung San Suu Kyi had said that the Rohingyas are Bangladeshis. Meanwhile, former Prime Minister Davis Cameron has recorded his disappointment with Aung San Suu Kyi over the persecution of Rohingya Muslims in the country, particularly over her claim that they are the Bangladeshis. China launched 5 new remote sensing satellites from the Jiquan Satellite Launch Center yesterday. The satellites, which belong to the commercial remote sensing satellite constellation Zhuhai-1, were successfully launched by a Long March 11 carrier rocket at 2:42 p.m. yesterday. As per the reports, the newly launched satellites comprises of 4 hyperspectral satellites and a video satellites. The satellites were produced by the Harbin Institute of Technology and operated by the Zhuhai Orbiter Aerospace Science and Technology Co. Limited. The company launched the first operational units of the constellation in 2017. The newly launched satellites will join the commercial remote sensing satellite constellation Zhuhai-1, which will now consist of a total of 34 satellites such as video, hyperspectral and high-resolution optical, radar and infrared satellites. Now let's have the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, Government of India, NSC and IM, political parleys. Public Meet reaffirms no infringement resolution. Corpus Fund for Journalist Pension Scheme. Amju President points finger at APO, Press. Government seeks input for TFFM. The People's Chronicle. UCM fears Government of India adding dissident MLAs to solve Naga issue. Tension grips Maram Bazar. Ukhrul denizens fast. Pray for honorable solution. Nemcha Kipgen urges Centre to extend Rashtriya Vayosri Yojana across state. Imphal Free Press. UCM holds public alert meeting on possible settlement of Naga Peace Accord. All Manipur Working Journalists Union President clarifies information on lack of funds was shared by DIPR officials. Authority advised to initiate inquiry on Birti Kendrajit Airport building collapse incident. Illegal constructions over Naga River dismantled. Enrollment for health cards conducted. The morning bell. Naga peace accord should not affect integrity of Manipur. Public meeting. Imphal West Police carries out destruction of illegal constructions. Moirang MLA PA remanded to 5 more days police custody in corruption case. WY tablets worth about rupees 17 lakh seized. IED found near DJ Soda concert location.
Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Manipur start of Conclave 2019 underway in Imphal. Farmers take out rally to Delhi with 16 demands. And ex-servicemen rally held at Kumanlampa. That's all for today. Keep watching Times of Manipur.